Okay, in this video, we are going to make the latch, and the latch is two parts, the male part and the female part. Let's go ahead and get started. Uh, One thing I want to do is you have to have measurements. You have to have everything precisely line up. So you need to plan where everything is going to be here and here. I'm going to do the front view, and I'm going to make the first part of the latch over here. Not going to do anything complicated or fancy. What I do want to do is if I want this to be 10 millimeters wide and I need it to be centered, I need to make a box. Now, if I want to come down 10 millimeters, I have to have some overlap up here. And I think an overlap of 3 millimeters is good. Come down 10 millimeters and then have a 2 millimeter clasp. That's a total of 15 millimeters. You'll see where that comes from later. But so that's the right shape. Now I need to make sure this is in the right place. Check. And I'm going to edit that. Man, these buttons are in different places. Zoom in. And from here to here, I want this overlap to be 3 centimeters or 3 millimeters. Okay. And if this is centered, if this is 40 millimeters from side to side, I need 15 millimeters on each side to center this. So still in that, here to there, should be exactly 15. So 15 plus 10 plus 15 is 40. That's all the way across. Check. I'm now going to extrude this guy, making sure I add so it becomes a single part, and I only need this to be 1 millimeter thick. Check. All right, great. Zoom in here, make the clasp part. So I'm going to start a new sketch here, and this is just the way I'm doing this. I'm just going to draw the shape I want. Lock it into, there you go. Oh, that did not go over far enough. Escape. Let's try that again. Delete, 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 delete. Let's try this again. I want this to go up 2. And this, there we go. I want that to go up 4 and see how it's locked at a right angle. Oh, no, I want that to go up 3, but it's fine. I'll fix that. Three. Okay, so now this will insert itself 2 millimeters. So I can extrude this guy. Want to go the other direction. And I only want it to be as big as that, and that's 10 millimeters. Okay, so that is the male part of the clasp. In the next video, we'll go over the female part to the clasp.